All right, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys had a great day. Had a good trading day, followed your rules and everything like that. Just about to get into a quick daily breakdown. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. Also, just send any comments in the comments down below if there's anything that I missed or that you think that I could do better. Um, and I also have a Discord in the description down below. We have about like 40 people in there. Hopefully that hopefully you guys can join, speak to you guys. I don't sell anything or anything like that. We just speak in there about like our trades, our setups, kind of critique each other, and we all help each other grow. So yeah, that's in the description if you guys are interested. But let's get into it. So today I started off. Let me do this bar replay. We can go here. All right, so I started the day off with a bearish bias. If really just looking at the market, we're in bearish flow, as well as no higher or as no highs have been broken to the upside on the 1 hour time frame, and that's my criteria for taking a counter trend trade. So I was initially looking to go short on the market, as well as we have this 15-minute divergence that was formed. Let me let price develop some. So right around here, we have divergences formed between ES and NQ. But the thing is, so like when this happened, I was looking to go short, as this high had been taken on NQ but not on ES on the 15-minute time frame. Let me go down to it. So as this happened, I was looking to go short just to follow 4 hour, 1 hour daily time frame flow. But the tricky thing about this trade is that we are currently at we're very close to the divergence being broken. In situations like this, I mean, I've never been presented with this before. I should have just looking back at it, I should have let the divergence be broken and then recalibrate my whole idea on where the draw was on price. Because since we're so close, it's somewhat inevitable that if price fluctuates a few ticks, a few points, that we just take it, and the whole trade, the whole basis of the trade itself has been invalidated or been nullified. So that's what I should have done, but I entered shorts on the 1 minute time frame. I entered shorts on the 1 minute time frame. So I entered shorts here on the break of this imbalance. On the break of this imbalance here, and price. Oh no, you're good, bro. No, you're cool. Yeah. 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 So then, I just waited for price to, break the imbalance to the downside. Was looking to go short. Once that happened, we go in a little bit of profit. I was wary here, but I started, I accepted the risk that came with this trade. It was an A+ setup. Let's go, bro. It was an A+ setup. This imbalance had been respected already in the past, so I was looking to see it get broken to the downside, as well as we have the daily bearish divergence and that 15-minute bearish divergence that I was talking about. So it was divergence just stacked on top of each other. So I was very confident in this trade. That's why I accepted the risk that came with it. It just ended up going the opposite way on me, took me out. Was frustrating to see, but like I said, when you accept the risk, you gotta, it's on you at that point. So I knew what was coming with it. I knew the possibility that price was going to respect this and take me out, in accordance with price already disrespecting the divergence on ES, which basically nullified all this. So after that, this was a good trade setup, but only if the divergence had a little bit more room to breathe. It was a good 4.7 R. Which is fine to lose, because taking trades like this, you can win one and make everything back. So it's a good R multiple. So once that gets nullified, I'm open to the idea now that price is the draw might be higher on price before we go back short. So once I saw this happen, I was looking for lows to get taken on ES and NQ. Really, I was looking to see a low get taken on NQ and not on ES, so that the bullish divergence could form in accordance with a low getting swept. So that's two confirmations right there. And then also, if you want to add a third one, us breaking the divergence to the upside, which would signify or indicate that the draw is probably higher. So that's three confluences right there that I could have, that were pushing me towards being open minded to a long trade idea. So let me clear some of this up. So after taking that loss, price retraces, comes back down to this 1 minute low. We have this divergence form. I was open to seeing if price would break above a bearish imbalance to go long and then target another 15-minute high. That didn't happen. Price just kept on dumping. After this, I really just moved to the 5-minute time frame, because at this point we're looking at taking 5-minute lows, not 1 minute lows, because price was just moving down so aggressively. And I saw the divergence form near 11 a.m. or like 10:50 something. So we have this low that hasn't been taken on ES, but it has on NQ, and once I see that happen, I was really looking on the 15-minute time frame. Once I see that happen and price close, then I was open to looking at long positions. So once this happened, I'm looking at taking a long position, but what I should have waited for was the hour to end. With the hour ending, that would have given me more confidence in price's direction, because to enter opposite of the candle sentiment at the end of the hour on an hourly candle is a bit risky, I'm seeing, in the sense that price has already somewhat signified the direction that it's going for that hour. So to then try to take a counter trend or a trade countering that hourly candle is probably the more risky and unsafe option to go with when faced with this scenario. So what I did end up doing, I was here waiting for this bearish imbalance to get disrespected. Once we got the disrespect that I was looking for, entered long, targeting the immediate high, and then I was gonna let a runner run to the full price target that I was looking to see take place. Now, this trade technically on the 1 minute is something that I take with high confidence. I'm not afraid of taking this trade. I actually love taking these because at this point, when you take this, your stop is going to be at the divergence low when you're going long, and simply because when these divergences happen, the high or the low is going to be the protected high or low. So your stop can be set right there, and it minimizes your risk really well. But yeah, price literally disrespects me simply because it wasn't 11 o'clock yet. Entered at 10:54, got stopped at 10:58. So it was in the trade for 4 minutes. Because I cut the losses short 3.9 R on this, so I'm not mad at it. It's just that today was very choppy. Today was extremely choppy, and there's nothing I can really do about it besides make better decisions in the moment. Now, if from now on, what I'm going to do better is I'm going to just simply make sure that if I'm looking to go counter the 1 hour candle trend, then it has to I can't do that. I can't take that. I can't take that risk. If I'm going to take that risk, my account needs to have a little bit more of a cushion. At least my funded account needs to have a little bit more cushion to do that, so that I'm not risking profits and whatnot. So yeah, today was a frustrating day, but it is what it is. Learned what I could from it, and I'm gonna just take that into tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye.